Dear friends, welcome all of you to my yet another tech video. Today we are going to discuss about how we can create an audio file from text files. Document form of files can be converted into audio very easily. Lots of free softwares are available. I'm going to introduce one among them. So all of you please watch. And the software name is Audio Bookmaker. Audio Bookmaker. So you can download it from Google by typing Audio Bookmaker. So online platforms are available. Sometimes we will hesitate to record the audio, maybe due to our language problem or any other things. But you don't worry, with this app you can create audio for your presentations and videos very easily. So you have to download the software Audio Bookmaker. Audio Bookmaker. So I am going to show after the installation. It's very simple. You just download the software and double click to open it. Then after installing, you just open the software. So you will get a window like this. So it is a very simple process. If you have any text files, you can convert the file very easily into audio. So I am going to just copy paste some text files from here. Then you're going to watch how it is converted into audio very quickly. So I am copying one paragraph. Then nothing else. You have to copy paste the text file here. Copy paste the text file here. So how we can edit it? How we can edit the text file? It's very simple. We are getting two types of audio formats are there. We can select the voice of male and female. So in more updated versions, lot of other type of voices will be available. So we can adjust only few items. The pitch of the audio, we can increase or decrease by changing like this. Just move it. Also, we can adjust the speed of talk, speed of the audio movement. By adjusting like this, we can audio. So when you are taking a trial, you will get the clear picture. You have to change like that. When increasing the speed, will automatically increase the speed of talk. We can give volume high and low. Normally, high level of volume needed. So after pasting the text, we can play it. Just click the button, play. So here we can listen what is the content is expressed in that. So the process is going on here. So mic is not available, so it is not possible to hear for you. But you just try it. So one important point I would like to say, if we are giving a sentence without breaking, it is not possible to hear the audio very clearly. So we can make it very attractive and a hearable one by bringing some break in this sentence like this. Just look at this. I am just removing the comma and placing a full stop here. Then space. Then I am breaking the sentence here also. Again, wherever I am breaking, it will increase the audibility of the audio. It will bring clear-cut explanation for the students. So, how to save the video is the next concept. So, it's simple. I think it is very clear for you. we can adjust the voice, male or female, speed, pitch, then volume. Then we can go through the trial, we can edit the sections, then we have to save it. Click the button, save, then we have to select a particular place for storing the file. So we can select a particular, click OK. Then we have to give a name for the file. So I am giving just number. Then the format, which format you want, WAV or MP3 format. Normally MP3 is best one for the audio for a PowerPoint or any other videos. So you just select the format. After that you just click OK. So we will get the file in the particular place. So we are going to watch the video, audio file, the desktop. Just watch one. It is available. So it is a simple process for editing or converting our text files into audio. A lot of other paid version applications are available. If you are purchasing that type, it will be very best and give more opportunity for converting your text file into audio file. So thank you for watching. Hope this video is very effective and good for your technical improvement. Thank you.